we are continuing with 1.4. So 1.4, we're going to say continued in your notes. All right, I told you yesterday we're doing the first half. Today's the second half. I split that in half for a reason. Today is what's called literal equations. The reason we say they're literal equations is because the word literal, which means what? It has to do with letters. It has to do with just letters. Okay? It has to do with literacy. It has to do with letters and how things work together. So, here are the steps for today. They're very similar to the steps from yesterday. So, step 1, I'm going to ask that you distribute. Step number 2, if there is a fraction, clear the fraction. Step 3, combine like terms on either side. Step 4, excuse me. Step 4, we're going to move all terms with the desired or wanted variable to the left. Step 5, we are going to move everything else to the right. All right, step 6. This is a bonus step. Well, I probably went too fast. Sorry, guys. Let me move that back down a little. There you go. Step 6 is a bonus step. Here, since we are solving for a set variable, sometimes that variable is in 2 separate terms. So we have a special step. If variable is in more than one term, undistribute. And then step 6, and we'll talk about undistribute in a second, make sure we understand what that means. Or step 7, sorry. Step 7, we divide to solve. All right. So dividing is always our last step. Same thing here. Okay, but I want to talk about that special step first. What undistribute means. Oops, I still did that. Let me go back. Okay, undistribute. So let's say I have xy plus 3x. And I need to get x from inside both of those to by itself. I'm going to take this x and I'm going to put it in front of the parenthesis. If I take this x out, I'm left, that's not an x I put in front of the parentheses. Sorry, guys. That's a 3. Now it's an x. Okay. If I take this x out, I'm left with y. And if I take this x out, I'm left with 3. Yeah, we're just taking, like we're doing the opposite of the distributive property. So normally we would say x times y and x times 3. We're just going the other way. Okay? All right. Yes. Okay, so now we're going to talk about a couple different things. So here we go with example number 1. All right? If you guys are ready. Yes. There's times, yeah, there's times where I actually do the whole homework in the examples. Huh? This year, no, not yet. It's still early. No, not happening. Yeah, I did. Yeah, I did. Yeah. All right, so here we go. Example number 1. All right. Volume equals length times width times height, right? You get. It's for all of them. Yeah, it's the whole thing's like this. Okay. So I have this formula. You guys have seen this formula, especially you just got out of geometry, right? I want to solve. I want to solve for h. So the idea is I just want to get h by itself. Well, no. Hey, you guys, listen. Look at what's happening. What are L and W doing to h? So how do I get rid of them? So we're going to divide by L and W. Whatever I do to this side, I have to do to this side. L and W. So that means I have h equals V divided by LW. I'm just starting, Sean, but thank you. How about example number 2? Let's take it up a step. All right. Let's LW. Yes. Okay. Here is another very famous formula you've seen before. Area equals 1/2 base times height. It is for a triangle. Very good. I want to solve for B. Now, let's talk about our steps. Step number 1 is distribute if there's parentheses. There's not. Step number 2 says to clear a fraction. I have to times this side by 2, and all of this is multiplied together, so I times this side by 2. On the left, 2 times A is 2A. On the right, my 2's cancel, and I have BH. Correct. H is multiplying B, so I got to divide by H. Whatever I do to one side, I have to do to the other. Yep. 2A over H. Okay, we're still doing good? All right. So let's up it a little bit. Okay, so here we go. Yeah. Example number 3. All right. Let's say I have A times X plus Y equals BX minus C. And we're going to solve for X. All right, now you'll notice this time I have X's on this side and I have X's on this side. The idea is I need to get those all by themselves, right? So, think about our steps. First thing says, there's a parenthesis, distribute. So guess what we do? We distribute. Good. Good. All right. Next, there's no fractions. Can I combine like terms on either side? Do I have anything alike? Okay, so now I need to move all the terms with the desired variable to the left. So that means I'm going to subtract my bx to this side, right? Okay, subtract bx to this side. Can I combine anything together as I write it down? All right, so I have ax minus bx plus ay equals negative c. Now, anything that doesn't have the desired variable in it, I got to move to the other side. So I'm going to subtract my ay. Whatever I do to this side, I have to do to this side. So I have, no. We have ax minus bx equals negative ay minus c. Are we good so far? That's correct, Sean. Okay, so listen. Now, you have x in two separate terms. We need to get it by itself, so that's when we undistribute. We put the x in front of the parenthesis. If I take it out of this one, I have an a. If I take it out of this one, I have minus b equals negative ay minus c. And then the very last thing we always do is divide to solve. We're going to have to divide by a minus b. Divide by a minus b. Because that's what's multiplying x, right? So I get x equals negative ay minus c over a minus b. Okay? Questions before I keep going? We're doing okay? Okay. All right. That question's done, yes. X is all by itself. Only a little bit. Keep going, you guys. You need to be using your listening skills. No. What was that? That was 3? Give me 2 more. I'll be done. If everybody's listening, that is. Here we go with example number 4. Let's say I have x over a plus y over b equals c. All right, let's do that. Okay? I want to solve for x. So step 1, there's no parentheses. Step 2, clear the fraction. Do we have a fraction? When we clear the fraction, we multiply by the common denominator, which is AB. Very good. So we're going to times each thing by AB, including over here. In the first one, my A's cancel, and I have BX plus. In the next one, my B's cancel, and I have AY. And over here, ABC. Very good. Now, do I have all the terms with X in it on the left? Yep. So now I need to move everything else to the right. We're going to subtract AY. Subtract AY. So I have BX equals ABC minus AY. Well, I only have one term now. Yes, we just got to divide by B. And that's it. X equals ABC minus AY all over B. All right, last example, and I'll be done, if we're going to listen. Huh? You want me to do the word problem? No, that one's easy. We'll talk about, yeah, it won't be bad. All right, example number 5. Example 5. All right, let's say I have y times y1 plus y2 equals y1 times y2, and I want to solve for y. Okay, now, remember, you are trying to get this y by itself. Well, look at it. It's almost by itself. What is the only thing I have to do? Yes, I'm going to divide by y1 plus y2. Divide by y1 plus y2. Y equals y1 times y2 divided by y1 plus y2. Okay, now, I did this for a reason. One of your questions in your homework uses r's instead of y's, but it does the same thing. When I have a y, that's a variable. When I have a y1, that's a different variable. If I have y2, that's another different variable. Okay? So even though they're all y's, they're labeled different. Okay? Is there any question? So you have 15 minutes. I expect everybody to be working these 15 minutes. I can walk around and help in every way I can. All right? I want to make sure I get this video uploaded in case somebody wants to watch it that missed